Working problem. An industry manufactures products where the manufacturing cost is designed by 10 times t squared plus 120 times t plus 3250 for 9 months. Estimate the average manufacturing cost per day over 9 months period. Its manufacturing cost has been designed by this mathematical model. Now we're going to estimate the average manufacturing cost per day over 9 months period. Solution. From the formula of manufacturing cost per day equals to 1 over 9 minus 0 into integral of 9t square plus 120 times t plus 3250. I applied this formula here where my b is 9 and my a is 0. 9 is 9 months. Take the integral to have 9 times t cube over 3 plus 120 times t square over 2 plus 3250 times t. Expand the limits. At the end you will get 36,297 per day. This will be the manufacturing cost per day if you model it for 9 months period.